Hi, this is Wayne from Inkish, and we're at the print show here in actually sunny Birmingham. I now have a pleasure of a guy that I have known for quite some time. I mean, he's been in the industry, I don't know, probably a couple of 100 years. Steve Giddins, Managing Director at Perfect Bindery Machinery. Steve,
yes,
as ever,
good day, sir.
Great to see you.
Yes, and you.
So
yes.
here we are, another print show.
Yes, I promised I'd never do this again. 2 years ago.
Only two. I think you've been saying. I think when I worked on IPEX, you said that would be the last show. And
Listen,
that was 2014. So.
Last Saturday was the anniversary of me starting work at Oxford University Press 60 years ago.
Blimey. So you've seen some changes. You've seen some changes.
I started with letterpress, then I went to litho, then I went to digital.
Right. Okay.
And digital is far more exciting and versatile than the rest of them put together, obviously.
Right.
Here's a piece of digital equipment that can put images, text and colours on book edges to make them, personalised or attractive or whatever you want to do with it.
Yeah.
And you just load the program in the computer, the software, which you can put on a USB stick.
Right.
Stick it in, and you're off and running.
Right. Okay. So this is a machine that, by the looks of it, you're bringing in from China?
I flew it in last week.
Right, okay.
So we had a hairy moment because it was picked up on the 5th of September. During the following Wednesday, I then got told, no, it's not here, it'll be Saturday.
Right.
Saturday came, no, it's not here, it's in Frankfurt. Well, really, it's in Frankfurt, good. So then it arrived on Tuesday at Heathrow.
Right.
And then I said, well, how long is it going to take to clear customs? Oh, don't worry about that. He said, unbelievably, 3 hours later, it was through customs. Then I had to get the engineer's visa, which they made a mistake. They organised a visa for the Shannon area, and it got rejected. So last Monday, we had to send more information about getting a visa. So now, Wednesday morning, we got the visa.
Okay.
And then Wednesday afternoon we booked his flight.
Well,
so I've now invested in that performance 10,000 quid just to get this thing here, plus the cost of the machine.
Well, I mean, we're half day into the first day. You've probably sold it already, haven't you? So you've got your money back.
Well, I don't know, actually. No one's told me.
So tell me about Perfect Bindery Solutions. Right. Tell me a little bit more about the company. I mean, you've been in this industry, as we just said, for 60 years.
Yeah.
How long has Perfect been running?
Since 2005.
Since 2005,
but
so 20 years.
I did run a company from 88 to 2001 called Steve Giddins Engineering, which did service work, machine rebuilds, sales of new machines.
Right.
And we went in a lot of different countries as well as the UK, right?
Right.
But then in 2001, Duplo came along, Robin Greenall, and he said, Steve, why don't you work for us?
Right, okay.
And at that point, I was in a legal battle with some idiot in Germany, and I went, oh, that sounds like a good idea. I'll get a monthly salary for a change.
So tell me about Perfect Bindery. Right. So what is your core business in the UK?
Book finishing.
Right, okay.
Book finishing. So that's perfect binding, 3-knife trimming, case making, foiling, board cutting, cloth cutting, all the thread sewing, for example, right? So we specialise in hardcover book production.
Yeah.
And we, in fact, have been marketing a binder, which is a brilliant machine insofar as in a very compact space, call it 6 metres.
Right.
You've got end papering system, backlining.
Yeah.
So you drop the book in, it pushes it through.
Yeah.
It applies the end papers with hot melt glue, applies the backlining with hot melt glue.
Yeah.
And then at the press of a button, you can put a soft cover on that book.
Right. Okay.
Right. So now we've got on-demand, short-run book production in a compact space.
Right. Okay.
So that's one thing. Then you can run that in line with 3-knife trimming.
Yeah.
You can run it in line with thread sewing at the other end. You can run it in line with digital printing to produce a book block for Bindery.
Okay, and how are you finding it at the moment? I mean,
Well-
specifically, I mean, are you purely UK or do you?
I'm mostly in the
mostly
UK. Yeah.
UK, and how are you
yeah.
finding the market at the
Well,
moment?
this year we've had about 6 companies, not necessarily customers, who in our initiative shut
Right,
down
okay.
for various reasons. So it isn't easy,
No.
and in fact, we seem to be surrounded by people trying to to stop us running a business,
Right,
rather than,
yeah.
oh, you're that lot in Westminster.
Yeah, let's not get
Anyway,
too political.
No. So, anyway,
But generally, you're here, you're trading, you're at another print show.
yeah.
I
yeah.
mean, as ever, it's always fantastic chatting with you.
Well,
I'm-
some people have got ink in their blood. I've
Exactly.
got glue in mine.
Exactly. Steve, I'm going to go and have a lay down now.
I
but shake my hand as ever. It's really good to see you.
No problem.
And I hope you have a great show.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Thanks for coming.